Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the English speaking course. I'm Emily.
And I'm George. We're excited to have you with us for episode 3.
In our previous episodes, you learned greetings, introductions, and how to talk about yourself. Today, we're taking another step forward. You'll learn how to ask and answer common everyday questions in English.
These are questions people ask when meeting someone new, talking to classmates, coworkers, or friends. Don't just listen. Repeat every sentence after us. Let's begin.
Let's learn some useful questions. Repeat after me. What do you do? Where do you live? What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? What's your favorite food? Excellent!
Now let's learn some answers. I'm a university student. I live in Lahore. I enjoy reading books. I like playing cricket in my free time. My favorite food is pizza. Very good.
Hi, George. What do you do?
I'm a software student. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. Where do you live?
I live in Islamabad. And you?
I live in Melbourne.
When we meet new people, we often talk about what we like. Repeat after me. I like reading. I love traveling. I enjoy watching movies. I don't like spicy food. I prefer tea to coffee. Excellent.
Good conversations continue with follow-up questions. Repeat after me. Really? That's interesting. Why do you like it? How often do you do that? Sounds great! Wonderful!
I enjoy photography.
Really? How often do you take photos?
Almost every weekend.
That's interesting. What do you like to photograph?
Nature and beautiful places.
Now answer these questions by yourself. What do you do? Where do you live? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite food? How do you spend your weekends? Excellent!
Hello! I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where do you live?
I live in Sydney. What do you do?
I'm a university student. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching English movies. How about you?
I like playing football and listening to music.
That's wonderful! It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
You too.
Now introduce yourself and answer these 5 questions without stopping. What's your name? Where do you live? What do you do? What are your hobbies? What's your favorite food? Try to speak for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking. Fantastic.
Today you learned, what do you do? Where do you live? What are your hobbies? I like. I enjoy. I prefer. Really? That's interesting. How often? It was nice talking to you. Congratulations! You're now able to keep a simple conversation going instead of answering with just one sentence. Keep practicing these expressions every day. The more conversations you practice, the more natural your English will become. In episode 4, we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine and describe your day using natural English sentences. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 4 and keep speaking English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.